looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Jeep Compass Altitude in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With active lane management system, deep tinted sunscreen glass, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 16,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, remote start system, power liftgate, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjb.com, stock number 10671A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.